front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. And then tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, click on this gear next to 3 dots instead. Then tap on voice typing section in keyboard settings and click on the switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and finally tap on Now Visible Microphone. If you never used this option before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. And after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. When you are finished, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!